Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy slime. So let's get started. First you pour the Elmer's glue or any glue you use except for super glue. Okay, so let's pour the glue in first. Now, that's enough. We'll have to pour the shaving cream in. Let's see if I can fix it. Yeah, and my shaving cream is kind of weird, but it still works with my slime. So let's get started mixing. Yeah, and it's kind of, and if you have sensitive skin, you have to be careful because borax can be poison and it's very dangerous. So if you're small, you have to call your parent or your helper. I don't know, just a bigger child or adult than you. Okay? So now I'm just gonna add the borax in. I normally first mix the borax and then go with my hands. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix it. Mix, mix, mix. It's gonna stick here. Yeah, but this slime is kind of hard. I'll have to try and do my best. I need to add more. Yeah, it's super sticky. Yeah, but you can already hear the poking sound, so it's forming a slime. So now I get this slime texture. I'll have to go in with my hands. And make down to comment below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Or if you don't like it, it's okay. You can give it a thumbs down. So now I made my slime. I'm just gonna add the food coloring in. I'll put my slime on the table and put my bowl away. You see, my slime is the texture that is very, very fluffy because I used a lot of shaving cream. I'll use yellow because my favorite color is yellow. Yeah. Now you have to blend the yellow inside the slime. And then start mixing. That's what I normally do. You can use any type of food coloring, or you could use paint, because paint normally works on slimes too. Yeah, yeah. Now, it's very pretty. So I'll just show you some poking sound. And that's my slime. So thank you guys, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.